How to customize your Shopify mobile store layout. To customize your Shopify store layout specifically for mobile, open the Shopify app and tap the menu icon to access online store. Then choose Manage All Themes. Select the theme you want to edit and tap Customize to open the theme editor. Once inside, switch to the mobile preview by tapping the mobile icon at the top of the editor. This allows you to view and adjust how your store appears on mobile devices. From here, you can tap into sections like the header, slideshow, product grid, edit content, or hide sections that may not display well on smaller screens. You can also resize text, change padding, or adjust button styles so everything fits better on mobile. As you make changes, the preview updates in real time. Once you're satisfied, be sure to tap Save to apply the updates. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.